Hello, this is Gino Salcedo, and tonight we are building Lego City Set number 7566, the Farmer. This is a small set and only has 16 pieces, and it's recommended for ages 5 to 12. This set was from Marshalls. I bought it like a while ago. It was $3 instead of $4, $1 less than the original price. So it started now, and there's nothing about this. There's not much. So, just because it's small. So, here we go. Okay. Okay, we're done. Alright. So, here's what we have here now. Okay. So, here is the farmer. He has a black hat and a smile. He has green overalls and a red shirt, holding his shovel. There's his pig and dog. The dog, again, there isn't as much to talk about, but the pig has a little more. Ears and black eyes and white pupils. Now here's the shed thingy. There are fruits and vegetables and roof thingy, and there's a bucket. You can put the extra parts in here right now. And there they are. So, I guess that is it. That'll be all for tonight. So here it is. The Lego City Set number 7566, The Farmer. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.